Hey, it's Trevor here, and it's Christmas! Look, I'm excited because this is an absolute no-brainer, all right? No fancy VSL for this one, well, other than me in my little spaceship here, but no fancy graphics and animations and stuff like that, because I don't need to, all right? What we've got here are 15 of our top-selling products that generated us over $1 million using the softwares and the tips and tricks and secret strategies that are inside these 15 products, okay? So myself, Philip, Dan, and Jonas all use this stuff on a daily basis, and we've bundled it all up, and we're going to give all of it to you for less than the price of just one. All right, so this is absolutely bonkers. Now, inside of this bundle, you're going to find products that have all been award winners on Warrior Plus, all bestsellers, and there is a combination of information products and software products. This is the stuff that we use on a daily basis to generate us anywhere between $300 and $1,000 or more per day. Okay, so if you're looking to make money online, then this bundle is the very best opportunity for you right now. Think about Christmas. You're gonna have your Christmas dinner, you're gonna sit in front of the TV, and you're gonna maybe have a little nap. Then the days between Christmas and New Year, what about if you took the XMISSIONS bundle and you start to work through that training, so come the new year, you were ready to go at them and make a serious amount of money. Well, that's what you can do with this, and it's a no-brainer because it's just one seriously low price for this entire bundle. So scroll down the page, you'll see all the details of all the products that we've got in here for you. I've got a very special secret to share with you as well. When you buy the front end, yes, we will present you with some OTOs, some optional upgrades, but they're very, very sexy. Right, now listen to this. When you buy the front end, you're going to go through to the OTO 1. The OTO 1 is going to be all the OTO 1s for that front end for the less than the price of one OTO 1. When you go through from that, you go to the OTO 2, which is all the OTO 2s for those 15 products. And then OTO 3 is all the OTO 3s for those 15 products. So think about this. You might think to yourself, oh, I'm not sure if I want all those front ends. I've got 3 of them or I've got 4 of them. But you're going to get the opportunity to get all the upgrades, all the OTO 1s, all the OTO 2s, all the OTO 3s at a crazy, crazy low price. Now, you might not want any of those, you might just want the front ends, and that's fine. You know, go for it. This is an utter no-brainer. I almost don't have to sell it at all. All right, just do yourself a favor. It's a very, very short window. This is going to be a short launch, and then it's gone. All right, feels amazing for us to be able to do this for you. Absolutely amazing. Christmas, this time of year, brilliant. Good for us, good for you. It's a win-win. But don't miss out on this, okay? Because it will be expiring, and then it'll be gone. So what are you waiting for? You know, literally, click on the buy button now, all right? Treat yourself. It's Christmas. You deserve it. You've worked hard all year. Give yourself this little treat for what? Less than the price of a pizza. It's crazy, 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 crazy. And this is the stuff that's generated us over $1 million, all right? As always, if you've got any questions, please do let me know. But in the meantime, I wish you and your loved ones all the very best for Christmas, and have a fantastic new year. You take care.